Hello everyone, today I want to talk to you once again about heat exchangers, but more than a type of heat exchangers, about a construction methodology related to plate heat exchangers. We all know the various types of plate heat exchangers, detachable exchangers, brazed exchangers, fully welded exchangers. Additionally, there are welded plate heat exchangers referred to as full inox, which are constructed utilizing the advanced diffusion bonding technology. That is diffusion welding. If we go on the internet, we find several explanations on how this type of welding, this type of junction occurs. In practice, it is a process that allows two similar or dissimilar metals to be joined by interpenetration, let's say, explaining it in simple terms, of the crystalline structure of the metal itself and at temperatures much lower than the melting point of the metal. How does it happen? I won't go into details. You can find several explanations on the internet. But basically, the exchangers are inserted into special vacuum furnaces where they reach temperatures that are around 65, 70, 75% of the melting temperature, and through pressure, the crystalline interpenetration occurs, and therefore extremely resistant welding joints are obtained without any material input and without any weight input. This construction technology is a technology that is employed in different sectors such as aerospace, oil and gas, or hydrogen, which is currently a trending sector. Let's designate it as such. It is a sector that involves a multitude of developments and advancements. These heat exchangers possess numerous advantages and a small number of disadvantages. Let's start with the disadvantages, which are the ones of having a production cycle that increases costs, evidently, because they are special ovens, a particular process that requires considerably long times and therefore has slightly higher costs. Regarding the advantages, let's say they are exchangers made of a single welded material with high pressure and temperature resistance. This technology is applicable to both stainless steel heat exchangers and titanium, as well as dissimilar materials, where the technology becomes a bit more complicated.
The subject is very interesting. We can delve into it if you want. Have a good day all. Thank you for your attention.